The iFLO app makes it easy to monitor the health of your customer's HVAC system. This allows you to be proactive when it's time for maintenance and gives you another touch point with them to ensure customer retention. The app will walk you right through the process. Just follow the prompts as they come and don't try to get ahead of them. Open the iFLO app. Sign up for an account with your phone number and press Continue. Receive a verification code and input it into the app. Complete the profile by inputting your email address, first name, and last name. Once the account is set up, tap More in the bottom right. Now tap Settings. From here, flip the switch to turn on the Professional Installer mode. Enter your company's name in the search bar. Select your company. Input your company's PIN number provided by the iFLO Pro team. Once the yellow bar appears on the top of the screen with your company's name, return to Locations on the bottom left. Tap Add Location in the top right to add a new customer. Add the address of the homeowner or tap the location icon on the right for an automatic input. Give the location a name. We recommend naming it after the customer for organizational purposes. Select the building type. Choose how many handlers that building has. Now choose how many square feet the unit covers. The new building should appear in your locations. From here, tap to add a new device. Start the setup process after you have installed all of the electrical and the tubing work. Continue after checking to make sure that the location is correct. Name the device with one of our default options, or customize your own, then continue. After reading the pairing instructions, tap I'm ready to pair. A pop-up will make certain you and your device are prepared before moving forward, and tap Yes. Now allow your phone to join the iFLO device network. Wait for the device to pair to your phone. Select the Wi-Fi network you'd like to connect to. Input your customer's Wi-Fi password. A pop-up will ask if your password is correct, as they are case sensitive. Simply press Edit Password to fix any mistakes in the text. When the password is correct, press Yes, continue. Wait for the device to pair with the Wi-Fi. Once the Wi-Fi has connected, press Continue. Select the method you use to install the tubing. We always recommend a direct drain pan access. Have the bottle QR code ready and tap Scan. Now scan the bottle. Install the bottle into the device and allow the iFLO to detect it. Once it is detected, you can schedule the first dispense or choose to dispense immediately. Scheduling a dispense is simple. You can choose the date and time, then scroll to continue. Next, take photos of the iFLO on the handler and the handler plate. These two images are required to continue. Once you continue, you'll be able to set up the float switch for monitoring if the cables have been connected correctly. Now that the float switch has been connected successfully, just click to continue. Read the final prompts after setup and tap to exit. You can now share the device with the customer's personal app. Input the phone number the customer used to sign up for an account. You also have the option to add multiple recipients. Now tap to confirm. The customer should now see an option for Shared at the top of their locations. Within the menu, have the customer accept the share. They may need to refresh their app to see the device is now connected, and both the tech and customer can now view the same information and receive the same updates on the iFLO system. If you are performing an install and do not have access to Wi-Fi, you can opt for an offline mode. Note that offline mode may remove certain live update features from the app. Choose a Wi-Fi network to connect to and try to connect. If there is not a network nearby or the connection fails, there will be an option to install in offline mode. Confirm that this is the action you'd like to do after reading the warning. Select which type of install was done. Of course, as always, we recommend the direct-to-drain pan on all installs. Prepare the bottle QR code to scan and tap Scan. Now install the cartridge into the device tightly and tap Next. Report on how the blue light has reacted. The phone will need to pair to the device to read the cartridge level. After reading about the connection, tap Continue. Now join iFLO device. Wait for the device to connect to the phone. Now take photos of the device and the air handler plate. These photos are required. The device should now be installed. Keep in mind, in offline mode, you'll be unable to share the device with a customer's app. As you can see, the iFLO app will walk you easily through the professional installation and setup of your customer's iFLO system.